Kids, let's learn shapes.
Circle. Star. Star. Circle. Diamond. Diamond. Semicircle. Semicircle. Oval. Oval. Raccoon. Star. Star. Circle. Circle. Diamond. Semicircle. Semicircle. Diamond. Semicircle. Oval. Oval.
Kids, now we will make cake for our mama. Brown chocolate. Wow. Yellow. Green. Now we will decorate it. Orange. Orange. Orange slice. Flowers. Rose flower. Heart. Heart shape. Wow. Fabulous. Cherry. Heart. Cherries. Now we have 3 cherries. Now we have flowers. Beautiful 4 flowers.
Dirty muffin. Clean muffin. Nicely done. Dirty radish. Clean radish.